What does human flesh taste like? Everybody I tell this story thinks I should have asked her this question. Truth is, we know little about cruelty, and so nothing prepares you coming face to face with the naked cruelty of human beings. To see this side of human beings, I had to get into one of those small dreadful planes that make my stomach churn. You know, the type that when you look outside, you see the wheel hanging over a moving landscape. It was on my trip with the UN Refugee Agency to Kakuma refugee camp, located in the northwest of Kenya. While in Kakuma, I was told of a Congolese woman who had fled her country. I thought, Congolese? Kakuma? How? So we sat on plastic chairs, and I was ready to hear her tale on how she came from Congo and ended up in Kakuma refugee camp. The story starts in a small village in North Kivu Province of the Democratic Republic of Congo. This is where she wore a rented white wedding dress and said, "I do," to her husband. This is also where one evening, when her and her husband were hosting members of the church, a group of Mai militia men stormed into their little house and accused them of hosting Banyamulenges, a minority ethnic Tutsis who the locals believed to be witches. This is also where the Mai dragged one of the pastors out of the house that evening and shot one of them in the head as her children screamed and her husband begged them to stop. This is also the place where they turned to her husband, called him a snake for hosting these Banyamulenges, dragged him out, made him kneel, and shot him in the head. The gunshots echoed in their small boma at the foot of a lush green hill. The sun was just setting in the hills beyond, and unbeknownst to her, it had also started setting on her life. They bound the hands of her two daughters, aged 7 and 5, together with her 2 children and 2 pastors, and carrying a 1-year-old on her back. They set off in a long file behind the men into the expectant darkness of the looming forest.